Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2018 Porsche 911 GTS. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. There are no paint chips or scratches on the front. Let's move on to the driver's fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver door. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on this door at all. Everything looks perfect. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, no dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the back of the car. The back bumper and along the back looks fine. I'm not seeing any scratches back here. Everything is spotless. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger door. Everything here looks fine. No dents, no scratches. I'm not seeing anything wrong. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And we're going to start with the driver's seat. Okay, the driver's side is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. And the passenger side is in good condition as well. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on the seat, and the door panel looks very good. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Perfect. The radio and AC buttons look good. The shifter has no wear and tear. Also, the performance buttons look perfect as well. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel is in excellent condition. Beautiful looking steering wheel. Everything looks fine. No scratches, no wear and tear. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.